Lower costs and faster delivery with CNC milling services by LS Manufacturing. In 2026, speed is a technical metric, not a marketing promise. Conventional supply chains are burdened by invisible costs, the proximity tax, late delivery penalties, and excessive DFM cycles. Technical insight. We achieve lower costs by optimizing the physics of the process. Our AI-driven pathing reduces aircut time and maximizes material removal rates. Faster delivery is the result of automation, with multi-pallet simultaneous milling and integrated DDP logistics. We bridge the gap between continents in 4 to 7 days. Case study. For a robotics OEM, we reduced TCO by 25.4% and slashed lead times from weeks to days by eliminating secondary setup redundancies. Quality is never sacrificed for speed. Every component undergoes rigorous metrology in our Zeiss-equipped lab, backed by a S9100D certifications. LS Manufacturing. Precision at scale. Digital certainty for the physical world. Upload your step file today for a professional 24-hour supply chain audit.